Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Neo, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with your Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the select button for a couple of seconds. Once you hear the beep, and as something appears on the screen, you can release the button. Once you turn on the watch, we need to download and install the ZEP application on our phone. So grab your phone, open the Google Play Store on your phone, tap on search, type in ZEP, and then tap search button. You should see this application on the list. Select it, ZEP developed by Huami. Tap on install to install the app. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. Once the app opens, you will need to log in into an account. You can also create a new account if you need to, or if you want to rather, my bad, by tapping on create an account. Also, you can log in with the third-party account. To do it, simply tap right here, and you will have the list of accounts you can use. Okay, so let's log in into the account. I'm gonna enter the email address, then give me a couple of seconds, I'm gonna enter the password. And once you're done, tap on sign in to log in. Once you log in, tap on got it. Here you can allow some permissions for the app. You can also deny them, but some features might not work if you denied all of the permissions, so be aware of that. I'm just gonna allow them. And after you're done allowing the permissions, you should see the home page of the app. On this page, tap on the profile icon, then tap on add device, select watch category, tap on got it. Now we need to allow the permission for the location, so I'm gonna select while using the app, then tap back to go back to the app, tap on got it, and if the watch has the QR code, you can allow the permission for the camera to scan the QR code. This one doesn't have the QR code, as you can see, but I'm just gonna still allow the permission. You can deny it if you want. Now, we need to select the watch without QR code, because this watch doesn't have any. And it should appear on the list right here, as you can see. Select it. Now, let's press the select button on the watch to confirm the pairing. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the device page for your AMAZFIT Neo right here. And you can use your watch now. It should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.